was a veteran journalist. Kwesi Pratt Jr. Obekasa also no be on town pekasa. But say Obekasa ba ko to ho no mu a eye bomb kese pa. Kwesi Pratt Obekasa na ho ne nkasa mu nsima wo kire mu a. Na say a stray bullet to Nana Jantuah and some of the NDC folks ni be any Ghana deal for no and some of muge kasa automatically NDC government are winning 2028 elections no. Kwesi Pratt Obekasa on to say san adwene no san kasa ye no. Eya childish thinking. Eya nkura na adwene sa adwene no. Obetre ni nsemu. Me man chemu na kire wa adwene dia ma me. Ewa comment be share say ni di mu. Over subscribe button so now be turn notification icon for latest update. Now be share video no amonu as enya bia hwe. Don't forget say over kire wa adwene ewa comment share ho no e dia ma. No make am NG Works Limited e dia ma. All kinds of plumbing works. Omo eyebi. Omo ye solar panel installation. Omo eye power plant installation. Bia pese omo ye ne bia omo ye e dia ma. Omo etu nsuo. Enzo say ya botan mu kure bedwa etu nsuo no e dia ma. Fere wo mu all kinds of engineering work. Omo eyebi ewo omo aso ye ho no mo. Omo say to swimming pool nyina e de kan ye say ade bia fa engineering hu bia de for NG Works Company Limited na edom earnings awoso. Omo number no e dey go as omo services are so affordable. Omo adwuma ho de etipa edom dwin komanda omo mu awsa ekwan so. Now let's go to it. So we say him say Kwesi Pratt Jr. or your veteran journalist organize why you want achepa wa gina mu ache jeje time nyina na ho no mo abran ko fa eti efie na akofo eti akunya so no an NDC ewo position no na man I say o study ne nkomo ne companionship ne na ya as no obi a kire say papa yi no or yeah some way somehow NDC sympathizer. I say or sympathizing with the NDC party that time when they were in opposition because na in some KBR the attack already against the then government Akufo and MPP government no and then all tranches be na some for kire say papa won pe Akufo ba obi na MPP asem it oya bed no e de ma NDC not on to say NDC betena kunya so na onim say yeri Mahama tena konya so no na obi egbo se agenkwa no na aba no agenkwa no na aba no agenkwa no na aba agenkwa na aba na ho na nkomo bi start say term agenda Mahama for term and I was like na Mahama ye didn't part tena konya so 3 months ago won try but na mo ka term the way e be a conversation na amount for engage in ma 2026 early 2026 Kwesi Pratt Jr. be kasa obe fire say mo na mo call for term for Mahama no Mahama betena konya so no when you in office no dear bad dear na why mo nkire na dear wa ko pa Mahama aye.
To be honest, I feel very sad for President John Dramani Mahama. I mean, the betrayal of President John Dramani Mahama is monumental.
Yeah, it's true.
There's a gentleman who came to the people of Ghana and said, look, there are problems with the country and I want to solve the problems in the educational sector and health sector and so on. He proclaimed a reset agenda. And he appointed people to assist him to realize that objective. And many of the people he appointed to help him to realize that objective, they don't just care. They don't care about reset. They don't care about restructuring the economy. They don't care about anything. All they care about is replacing him. What? Poor Mahama. Poor Mahama. And he's sitting there being held hostage. You know, and he's not been able to crack the whip. And they're dancing around him in circles and making nonsense of all the proclamations he has made. It's unbelievable. Visit the NDC social media platforms and see what is happening there. Who is talking about how to achieve the 24-hour economy? That's not their concern. It's about who is going to replace Mahama. It's so sad, it's unbelievable. So the people he appointed to help him to leave a legacy are saying to us that, oh, don't worry, very soon he'll become a lame duck. That's what they say.
Yeah.
They say, oh, by next year he'll be a lame dog. You have no power. We don't have to respect him. So let's start our campaign. It's dirty. It's nauseating. And I wonder why President Mahama continues to allow this to happen. I can't believe it. You see, the body things that you see, ministers talking to each other and so on, it's all superficial. Because deep down, everybody has a dagger ready to stab the other so that they become presidents. Why? The mandate is for 4 years. The mandate is for 4 years. We have entered the 17th month after assuming office. All the key promises, how many of them have been achieved?
Obefaya, Bobo na adwempa. Enwana enote kodaye. Ana NDC party ni monse na omu internal promise because omu beko flag bearership race eso ema that time na Juros Debra omu kire se oka hu bi. No na starting there as keep fit. Just say come morning keep fit. Ana na seri geti aso no na omu kire se oka hu bi. No so the other thank you talk. Ya to beko 2 years munie. Bani de bia seri geti aso de oye thank you to bani ebi kire se eye ne campaign tour na oye no it only thank you no free so no for campaign mra ne hu say was starting the political ambitions just say the presidential ambitions no was starting na eno na oye no e ma that time kwa na seri geti ko pie mu tamale no ogo pass the comment bi efa Mutaka Mohammed any Haruna Idris or education minister na hono ka say Mutaka and the other guy just say wa mo Haruna Idris can say other guy e man go for a whole lot of issue ba NDC party ni mo e man ebi mo e che ma dwene go can back and forth say ezingatia na o kire ho na then a whole lot of stuff that time ni mo Kwesi Pratt Jr sabe fire bi already no say na o hwe NDC party ni mo eni wo mu a o mo say ye meto aba ni ma wo mu no me ya kanifo wo NDC party ni mo na o mu nkopere akonwa ni ba o mi afa nko sie ni come 2028 elections na o just na o mu nyina no sabio why na president ebo ne ho
Kwame, asem we say who can want to go why na be kwa kasem
en kasem pacho
na obi wo ho a wo hwo no masa wo hwo no na hwo no ne bobia ne se ne okasa hwo ne se ne otie hwo ne nyansa ne ade a no begina wani so no superman pani ade na bisa ho se urade nyankopon na Ghana boni Bempah ne yaye
Kwesi are
Kwame mebua ka tsense mebua e na me ke se nyanu kwa ka tsense me nyanu kra wo hwa no pa wo hwe Bempah pa hwe ba
na say Uncle Kwesi
yes sir
just as you said no sa criteria and nine boss we say ni pano e pass those criteria of course
ba ku bi ho ni pass me
yes
masa
me of sound mind
sound mind ho ka biem e ho bo ho
na Uncle Kwesi nti some penyinfo a ye call ma asem a na obatimi arise through the ranks amen ne ebi mo abaye even ministers I go even beyond that so ebi mo abaye even vice a president what you say na ye ka say ni pay and anyo mo po na e ka ho eye bi no na e ka sa ompeso bi president has agofo we say ni pa atitiriw ni akuku dam we Kwesi ye be ka say omonye of sound mind of course o ka sa dia then Kwesi o ka sa that just even mampenini kura na ye kan sembia mati mampenini because
no mampenini hu a o say me nkrofo ma hwe wo nyom besa nyom ati be yi wadi
no so you see so what we say
so what testing won be be afeli yes sir master
ye nipa
yes sir
and nipa one thing about human being is say your selfish interest sometimes and it's natural it is natural
it
you
to
say selfish interest no I'm not saying say selfish interest nemo no make say who said the Uncle Kwesi can so a binum crania of sound mind now make us a look so casadia then you all come out with your mampenny because mampenny and I'm saying say we am penny for kuku damwa sabe omadwuma bo bill na omo adi eye o man so abedi sabere and ebi no omo shase free fam
but only say sound mind in shed and chese bia na adwumu kano
Master Kwame mama nka bi nsre ni nua branti Master ago we mi shase che o shase che nukreni e free be 92 besinde obi ni wa wadi amompani wo Ghana ha ni nkita ho uti na meka na se na many President Mills din komobi because President Mills will say massa na appointment see there ebi o ha we mu owrem kakra o se Kwesi anya mia o aya constitution no balancing no as a we ethnic balance as a we regional balance as a we balance way and a balance e ka ho ubesi she be wie no obi o ha wonu se aduma no kra no masa o mfata so be ye nanso nam sa balancing ninti no ko fa na be shem se ne be ya ube meet constitutional obligations
ube
enti enkofo bebre wo ho a no kure ni se ye jai amampani no se wo mo nkasa yi nipa mfam be shem mfam be fo mo abaya ko mo qualify enti obi ko e minister eno nche so obi a onim bruso anase washisha bruso enya nukre balance no presents a problem
into here we
to all has of say ana kwame enya president Mills nkwane ka wo yo ubeka ya president Kufuor so kasa the same thing it is a notion say obi be minister na say no de onim nyansa bruso abinchen ye nyina no enya nukre obi wo ha you didn't shame to balance.
You did not balance in
equation. You didn't balance the equation. Who are winning, sir? And I'm as a winning, sir. Who the winning? My cousin say winning. Sorry, Sunko.
Kwesi, yes, yes. For na me go take titles. Not the way you come at it.
Oh, titles and no strong casa. I say, or the metal being now, mommy.
Okay, also you balance.
The idea say you minister. Na uye nipa stronku enu omu epeje oma beti tre enu ade no ese sutwa it's so annoying masa woni obi na ti broni no so woni na tina broni so be mfie num mfie du wonim ni suban wonim ni bobia wonim say ni oti ebi kura no a people teacher all of a sudden you to aba near the post kakra man pe no da na nyame adai why yeah, to a baby na people teacher be we crassy near man post kitwa bi immediately no dani nyame no dani bosom as here someone. It is because of this notion say they are special people. They are not special people. Women are special people. They are just like us. And I'm saying nipa 36 million they need to be ministers in tea and you move 30 and 50 and 100. Now, say nipa 36 million to million minister. Could be a minister. And I'm saying nipa 36 million. Obien to ninja oman peninti. And ya shaya ye move back. So could you oman penny? Who could you oman penny? And no just a woman nasa train one more canny now. Who could you minister? And no just say, who see you biara, who see you biara, who never call me. I was going for no higher. Master, who is so high?
You know, today say president who here anyway biaho. Hey, I just told me bia presidential material into bia go pen baby ntina. Emma recently Mahama 13 agenda esa baby. Emma no kasa say no on the Ghanaians gave him 4-year mandate. It no or 4 years per but assembly crown obi at the court and yan train the court everybody beka. He says friends at the card assembly.
The people of Ghana gave me a mandate for 1 term. And I am working hard to meet the promises I made them. And so I always tell my ministers, I say, let's number our days so that we can work harder to meet the promises we made the Ghanaian people. I know that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal opinion, I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says, but if they want to ask the Supreme Court, that is their business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me 1 additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust that they put in me. Thank you very much.
That time, the Kwesi Pratt Jr. I say, hey, say after the Supreme Court ruling, no, the Supreme Court say Mahama ebetimi akọ third term. Na se Mahama jitum so obekwa ene Mahama ho be nuhu obesiro no.
Ne dane ne hu beka che so third term akọdia ne hu be nu nwa yie pa.
Na se Kwesi waka so ompe. Waka no bebre.
Edinu mu ka se bia ye hanya. Na se ye hanya dia. Ene na ne hu papa.
David,
enti ni se beba so.
Enti me nya hanya.
Third term no emma so. Na oni Fifi Kwete. NDC General Secretary no wakasa afasa nyoma ehu
ose party no mfaso
sape ose mo yesa no
omo greedy
wakasa omo ye greedy and opportunist that's one person papa no corner omo
bibi nti a ombenya adie
exactly no more greediness ni opportunism no ebe how man no ebe ha papa na nkasa ebe ha obiara eto mo ntwaso trust kra yentumi enya sumdwe ya no de masa emmaso
ya hena Supreme Court beka
masa emmaso kwame tetem emmaso
because social constitution yenya lawyer for ntie
kwame wonte brofo
meti kakra fine
say nya lawyer for nkwane te brofo
meti kakra fine but me brofo kakra minim no. Say me share Article 66 now. 66 say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms.
Finish.
Almost say ankasa consecutively.
Finish. For more than 2 terms, finish.
Obviously Mahama, because 2025, Mahama can they pay some I won't go for third term. Or can they pay some men come for third term? Then say after Supreme Court ruling, Mahama said because of a court, say, Kwesi Pratt Jr. Mahama ho be no who obviously the pay. Now you know, on him say and come be a customer to so. I say Ghana deal for be earning some 12 for be almost and a full that agenda. Almost same you say NDC 208 years no honour, but almost a tia kunyan so. Ghana deal for her as same with prophet time so I can be send this there on 16 years. NDC renew to us 16 years. It means automatically. NDC attack 2028. Owusu Bempah wa beka bi. Just say asofo ni bebre na no abadehye san kom no. Asofo bi asehye san kom no. Ese NDC automatically o ma we ni akonwa no. Ama journalist bebrebe ama Nana Jantuah edimu ntentemai ono so abeka bi. Ama Nana Jantuah tiremu ono de. Enipa bia NDC de beba 2028 no. Obebi tibomia Ghana for beto aba no e de amada nipa kronto automatically NDC arene.
So MPP still be lose 2028. Omu win. But Omu be this na free NDC for example. City ni NDC be win. Obia Dr. Bawumia ni be share wo NDC no bia the lowest person crown obe biti Dr. Bawumia. But Dr. Bawumia be appreciated from 41. Obeko 44 45. Obe appreciate now when you seats in the so aka ho for 2028 NDC seats so better but NDC be win but we seats so better ebe ko do na be ko MP before no but there was NDC be majority e wo parliament
can Japan jobs creation side na nya by champion general already defense am double mia yeah, more education, engineer, so still next year.
Yes, that's the reason why I ebe kakra. You see, the point is that Dr. Bawumia is suffering from a certain identity, crisis identity. Now, hopelessness. Dr. Bawumia, obia odi akan dominated party. But untimi nka akankasa ni Dr. Bawumia say we are communication expert na oka akankasa eya wo twefa wo oza say e wo say wo for so tie
no we say na say no dey nka
no e ka bibi because political communication e wo say wo kasa ye clear John Mahama kasa you don't need any what's it? A clear key no can English no can what's it? Bawumia can English impeccable. But okay key na Uba say I didn't know person what can English Cabo say no part and now share so share what they share every two a bit you more can she casana. I can eclair, Quabrenda Pong, Canada Pong, a brand tampon, eclair. Omuna no Ecasa eclair. Dr. Baumia is struggling into Emma. One no more penasem, but in terms of policy, no, a money again. What do I say? And now, she doesn't want to mean can ye papanity. Well, I'm just critiquing him. You know, he's my friend, and I like him. Yeah. But the point is that if you are aware, you can see a man for so here. Only strength was so. It's you know about practicing more. Like I say, I can say they can. Because, oh, yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what I say? It makes you like, as a wood, dear, bro. And you see, NDC for what you are branding answer on your comedian. You see, yes, perception works. What's that, Joe? What's that? Now, no, I will call platform. So, is it for platform? One day, I said, just one way. Yeah. Because I said, Ketia will control a language. Yeah. What do I say? I feel do baby, no, ma. Dr. Baumian, can I press that? Dr. Baumian, Bibia, no, yeah, because you say SD full program. That's Mahama.
Not once, wakano, many times. Na sa come we no. Ana akwa na Kwesi Pratt Jr say the Bama nka bi. Na say power drink. On say ye free be power drink. Say to abemo na ote akunya so I say Ghana for pewasem bro so I say Ghana for double so ye hu Owusu bi da na ewurawura tri friend stardom it the politics the friend power drink. I say new my friend stardom but politics my friend power drink. I say ewurawura tri ma wura fi say ye be sa akura to aba. Wura fi ho say o party members no kura no ebi musu o refi ho your friend power drink o kire say she obi trimu say 2028 automatically NDC be we ni a sa adwene no eye nkora adwene eye amateurish.
See, there's an assumption in the political space that no matter what happens, the National Democratic Congress will win 2028. I think that assumption is not just faulty, it is amateurish. You understand? Because so many things can happen which can change the current situation. Okay. Yes, it is true that this administration won the election by a very wide margin. It is true that there have been significant improvements, in different sectors of the national life and so on. As things stand now, it would appear that the victory of the NDC in 2028 is unassailable. But only amateurs can think this way. And I'll give you just one scenario. This government has come up with a process to review the 1992 Constitution. Some of the suggestions that are being put up, for example, are that dual citizens can hold any position excepting the presidency and the vice president. You do know that that's a very unpopular move. I listen to people and so on. I visit communities and so on. That's very, very unpopular, Now just imagine a situation where the opposition counters the governing position and manages to generate a momentum, serious momentum, leading to a referendum on the Constitution. And the governing position loses in that referendum. That momentum which is generated alone is sufficient to ensure the defeat of government. The government may have done very well, on the economy, it may have done very well on road construction, it may have done very well, but if it allows a political momentum to be generated, it can lead to the defeat of the National Democratic Congress in the 2028 elections. That's one scenario. The other scenario is that at every time that you're doing political analysis, you've got to pay attention to the imponderables. And there are many imponderables. One major national scandal is sufficient to overshadow all the gains that have been made and to propel the National Democratic Congress into opposition in 2028. So at this stage, it's important for the National Democratic Congress to keep its eyes on the ball. First, to make sure that no major scandal emerges, and that its opponents are not able to generate a momentum, which may be even on a peripheral issue, not on the main issue, on a peripheral issue. If the NDC wants to win 2028, it's got to keep its eyes on the ball.
When in some veteran journalist, Kwesi Pratt Jr. Abeka, now when some kind of do a more be the but a stray bullet to Nana Jantuah, any uniamo, or Moki Cancer automatically. NDC are winning 2028 elections. It be on baby or by win against Womiano. We a stray bullet to them. We touch the wide their mammy, our comment session. I Penyah Block Media.